Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry for the echo. I am actually in my bathroom and I am going to do a bathroom declutter and organize with you guys. I've got some really good tips and tricks on how to really optimize your limited space. We do not have really big linen closets. I think this is pretty builder grade. So I'm going to try my best to utilize what we have. I'm also going to be organizing my makeup and my makeup brushes because this is a mess. I will be doing this bathroom as well as the kids' bathroom, so I'm really excited to show you what I've got. And also, it's going to be super affordable, budget friendly, and I am really excited about a little Ikea hack that I cannot wait to show you. So let's go ahead and get started. This is the boys' bathroom, and I know you guys have seen this a lot in my cleaning videos, those who have been with me for a while. So this is what it looks like under here. We don't really utilize the space under here like we should. There's gonna be a lot of stuff in there that I'm gonna get rid of. These are the baskets I got today. I got this at Home Goods, clearance $11. And then when I got it in the car, I realized the bottom was broken. But you guys know me, if you've been with me for a while, you know clearance does not scare me. Broken doesn't scare me, I'll fix that. I just want the discount, so I don't care. Then I got these from Walmart. These were three something each. This was $3. And I got this is $6. And I'm gonna put this over the toilet just to like use some space. And then I'm gonna do, I saw some really cute Dollar Tree hacks using these and these, but my Dollar Tree did not have any. So I went to Walmart and this was actually more affordable. This was $2 and at the dollar store it was 2 for $1, so cheaper than dollar store. And my dollar store only gives me 2 of these for $1. This is 3 for 97 cents. So winner there. This was 97 cents here, 3 of those. So this is actually cheaper than the dollar store. However, I do still have my dollar store bins that I'm going to be using, so I could consider this a Dollar Tree organization still. But first, I'm gonna have to clean this up really quick. Just stuff. This is the linen closet. There's, it's just tiny. It's so tiny. And I just need to organize it better. That's a little thing I had made a long time ago. So I'm just gonna put the shelf under here so people, there can be like some poopery and stuff like that.
Funny how the story goes, little hope but bigger dreams. They try to bring a sucker down, singing louder than the crowd. Listen the rhythm, I'm feeling brand new.
Okay, I cleaned everything out. Now I'm gonna organize what I need to with the bins and start putting things back. So one tip that I have that really helps me stay focused, which I talk about this all the time in my videos, I get distracted so very easily. So it is really imperative that I stay focused so I can get the task done completely. So I will just pull everything out and kind of sit in the middle of it. That way I can see everything and I do not get up until it is all either organized or put away. That helps me just check it off the list, because if I'm standing up, it's more likely that I'm going to be moving around. I'm going to be putting something in one room or the other. This way I'm sitting down, I've got it all surrounding me, and I kind of just work my way in to out. And that really has helped me just get things done.
Sip me up like lemonade, we both know it's bittersweet. The sorrowness will bite your tongue, no one is forever young. No. Listen the rhythm, I'm feeling brand new. Keep pushing forward, it's gonna save you.
Over in this cabinet, I noticed I had a ton of albuterol and stuff from my son's nebulizer. It was so expired and I feel so nervous getting rid of it, but I know how important it is not to use expired medication. So let me know in the comments below. Do you hold on to it and use it anyway, or do you trash it? We all know how expensive that stuff can be, so let me know what you guys do. I was so excited about doing this little hack in the bathroom. I wanted to get the toothpaste and the toothbrush off the counter because this is also the guest bathroom, and if you guys know how kids are with toothpaste, it's a mess, and I didn't want to see it anymore. So I took one of these little bins. You can get them at the dollar store as well, some command hooks, and put them on there. I did it for each child because another thing moms of multiple children will know that they fight over everything. So this was just a little way to make my life and their life so much easier. Real quick, I wanted to show you guys, because you guys sometimes ask me about like the shirts I wear and stuff like that. And so I wanted to show this to you. It says, first I drink the coffee, then I do the things. And I got a couple of these. These are from Thread Tank. I loved them. They let me pick out 3 shirts and they offered a 10% coupon off. It's Lynn 10. So I'm gonna have that in my description box, but I just wanted to show you these shirts. I thought they were so cute. I am a jean and t-shirt type of girl, and these I feel like are just super cute. I just wanted to tell you guys that the jeans that I'm wearing are some regular Old Navy jeans I had from so many years ago, and I decided to put some little tears in them. I actually had stains on them and I did not want to get rid of it. So I decided just to make little holes, and I think they look so cute. They look like the jeans that are super expensive, yet I paid nothing for them to get this look, and I think they're really, really cute. So if you guys have jeans and you kind of want to upstyle them a little bit, or you have some stains in them, just cut some holes. Okay, so I want to show you, I'm going to start here. So I cleaned all of this out, and I took a dollar store mason jar, and this is Drew's stuff, only his stuff. And then I have this here, and I want to have his stuff separate from the little guys. And right here is Liam's. I use the two command strips, and one of these, you get a 3-pack for 97 cents at Walmart. That is cheaper than the dollar store. And I have all of his toothpaste and whatnot right there. I put Drew's hairbrush and lotions there, and this is all of the cleaning supplies. I leave cleaning supplies in each bathroom so it makes it easier to clean. Here's Josiah's. There's just some of Isabella's hair stuff. She does not have cabinets in her bathroom. She has a pedestal sink, so we put it in here. Here's Noah's. Everyone has their own toothpaste. It seems wasteful, but it's not, because it lasts a really long time because only one kid is using it. I have beach towels in here. The reason why I put them in there is because if you have boys, you know, they will end up using that instead of regular towels, and it's a lot more of a pain to wash because they're so big. So this is completely cleared off. Now I have this just with a little bit of spring, dollar spot jar and tulips, and then the lotion, and then the hand soap, and this is completely cleaned off. And I love it because now when we have guests, they don't see all of their toothpaste and stuff. Then in here, I added this little shelf. It was $6 from Walmart. And I added this. This was $4.99 at Marshall's, and then this is just a $1 little air purifier thing because this is a bathroom. Enough said. And I made this a long time ago. Even the waves obey his commands. Then I installed a little toilet paper roll holder. Now I'm going to take some of these Ikea spice racks. They were $4.99 each, super affordable, and they're already bare wood, which is nice because they are ready to paint or stain or whatever you want to do with them. Before assembling them, I am going to line the bottom of it with some marble contact paper that I got from Walmart. I'm just going to cut a strip to fit along the base of it, and then I'm going to peel the backing off of it and put it on here. Really easy. If you mess up or you don't like your placement, it can come right back off, which I really like. So I put it on there and I made sure to smooth out all the bubbles, and then I pretty much pulled the side over to cover the I guess the bare edges. After doing this, I realized I could have made a sheet or cut a piece that would cover the entire base, but I didn't realize that, so off camera I went ahead and cut another little piece, but I just covered the ends and folded them down kind of like wrapping a present. You do it however you want. This is what I thought was best. Then I started to paint some of the other pieces with regular old craft paint you can get anywhere, but I didn't like the finish, so I ended up spraying it with some gloss white paint. Look how nasty. Look at this. You guys, look at this. I have to show you. Oh my gosh. That's disgusting. Okay. So, if you ever want to play the comparison game with me, just know you're probably winning. Because this is life. At this point, you guys can see this is very late in the evening. I started early afternoon and it has gone on all day, obviously because I keep getting interrupted. So I have just been being really diligent about getting back and getting it finished.
I'm on my last straw. I'm broken and woken up. I'm done feeling your lies. I've had enough. I can't run your place in this faulty game. And all the words you speak mean nothing more to me. 'Cause let's start over now.
Here is the Ikea hack that I am so obsessed with right now. Do you guys know all that you could do with that? The possibility, oh my gosh, they are endless. You can do so much stuff. You can put your gel polishes up there, cleaning products, hair products, I mean anything, face products. You gotta use your imagination. I went through so much of my makeup here. I've gone through a decluttering process with my makeup just a couple of months ago, so there wasn't a ton of items I got rid of, but I was able to get rid of some things that just really didn't spark my joy anymore. Also, I did have my makeup brushes sitting out on the countertop, but I decided to keep those in my drawer mainly because I just don't like my countertop cluttered, and I feel like the cat and the kids will mess with them if they're out in the open. So I just kind of keep them tidy in my drawer.